Let's get you another exclusive news break here on Times Now. You've seen the arrests, you've seen the insider accounts. Today, Times Now is getting you a shocking fact. Was the warning of 2003 about match fixing ignored by the Mumbai police? Exclusively on your channel, the statement of D Company boss Dawood Ibrahim's brother Iqbal Kaskar in 2003, which in fact named fixer Sunil Dubai. Dawood's brother also claimed that two top former Indian cricketers were in contact with Dawood man Sharat Shetty. That was 2003 and this is 2013. What actually stopped the Mumbai police from acting? That is the big question, in fact, that we are posing on Times Now. We are getting you these exclusive details on your channel. Remember, there was initially a warning about this in 2003 and it's 2013 when this scandal has now erupted. Mayank is getting us all these details and he's joining us live on that story. Mayank, this is huge and this is shocking. And the big question is, yes, what did the Mumbai police actually do about this warning?
Yes, it's absolutely huge as this statement has come none other than Iqbal Kaskar, who is Dawood Ibrahim's younger brother. Iqbal Kaskar was in Dubai for several years and in 2003 he was deported to India. And then Iqbal Kaskar had given this statement when he was in crime branch custody, wherein he stated how the D Company nexus works in terms of betting syndicate and betting racket. He has also named that three top Indian players were in contact with the D Company henchman Sharat Shetty, and through the three players match were fixed. And he's also mentioned in the statement that for fixing the match they used to contact the top players of the teams, and that is how the matches were fixed and the money was paid through Hawala. The parties were arranged by Sharat Shetty in Dubai and in India, and that is why that is how the entire syndicate works. So this statement is a very crucial statement. Way back in 2003, Mumbai police got this information from Iqbal Kaskar that D Company, the way D Company has indulged in betting syndicate right from Dubai, Pakistan and in India. So absolutely crucial statement, but after 2003, Crime Branch didn't act upon it. The sources are saying that what needs to be done has been done already. So that is why Crime Branch didn't pursue this particular statement. Back to you.
Right, and Mayank, in fact, as we speak and as we are broadcasting these exclusive details on Times Now, have you got to speak to anybody from the Mumbai police on actually what did they do in these 10 years and what did they do about this very specific warning?
See, we spoke to Crime Branch sources. Now, what sources are saying is that the statement was recorded way back in 2003 and the betting conspiracy was already unearthed in 2000. That is why only the statement was recorded and it was given it to the proper authorities whom they thought should have been informed. And Crime Branch sources are saying that in 2003 they had done everything which they had to do it and the needful thing was done. That is why they didn't pursue the statement, as the conspiracy was already unearthed in the year 2000. But Crime Branch sources, when we asked them that why didn't you pursue, they had no answer about this particular question. Back to you.
All right, Mayank, we'll still be waiting to hear from the Mumbai police. Many thanks for having joined us with those exclusive details.